Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to confirm your identity on Facebook Marketplace. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Facebook app and make sure you're logged in. To confirm your identity, go to your profile, scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. After that, tap Settings. Select More in Account Center, then tap Personal Details. Now choose Identity Confirmation. Click Confirm your identity. Facebook may give you two reasons to choose from, either for ad-related topics like politics and elections, or for securing your account. Select any option, then follow the instructions. You'll be asked to enable two-factor authentication. Pick your preferred method, complete the setup, and tap Continue. Finally, confirm your identity again to complete the process. Once done, your identity will be confirmed on both Facebook and Marketplace. So that's basically how you can confirm your identity on Facebook Marketplace. And that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks.